You need to understand this thing very carefully. If you want to change your life, you need to be understand this thing. But before that, let me ask this question to you first. If you know how to ride bicycle and somebody come at you and told you now you have to forget how to ride bicycle, can you do that? Can you forget that? Can you erase that skill from your mind that I don't know how to ride bicycles? Let me give another example. If you know how to swimming on a swimming pool and somebody told you now you have to forget how to swimming, can you forget that? Can you erase that skills from your mind? Of course not. Skills, these are the skills. Even to make round chapati is a skills. If you know how to make round chapati and somebody told you now forget how to make round chapatis, can you forget that skills? No. These are the skills. Riding bicycle is a skill, swimming is a skills. These are the skills. And once you master, once you learn these skills, you can't forget. And let me tell you, this bicycle, riding bicycle is the most hardest skill in life. But we learn this skill in when we are child, when we are kid. The most hardest skill we learn when we are child, because we have to balance, we have to move always ahead, we have to make balance, and we have to just paddling. But we learn this skill, and now nobody can take this skill from us. Nobody can take the skill from us. But these are not high paying income skill. Now you need to understand this thing. If you are facing financial problem, then this video is especially for you. You need to be master that high paying income skills. That skills which gonna change your financial stability. That skills which gonna generate one more source of income for you. That skill which gonna give you a little, not little, and a huge amount of revenue for yourself. The skill which gonna change your life, boss. You need to learn that skill. Now you might be thinking, Kamlesh, what was that skill? Let me tell that skill. Let me tell you, I'm not gonna tell you which skill you need to learn. It's your responsibility, it's your understanding. You need to figure out which skill you need to learn. Maybe you need to learn public speaking. Maybe you need to learn some digital marketing, some others, if you are if you are a curious, and if you are interested on a digital marketing on this internet world, there are a lot more things you can do now time on the internet if you have that kind of intelligent or that kind of learning attitude mind. If you have that kind of mind, you can learn and you can grow in your life. But let me tell you this thing importantly. If you learn high paying income skill, nobody can take that skill from you. If you know how to speak in front of people, in front of audience, nobody can take that skill away from you. If you know how to promote products and generate sales, if you know how to make sales, nobody can take that skill from you. Not even you forget that skill. It's not possible for you. This is how powerful skills are. Make sure you work on your skills. Skills are so very powerful. Figure out what skills are good for you, what skills are really needed in your life to change your life, and understand what skills today you have. Be grateful, learn that skill, grow in your life. Thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Kamlesh and you are watching Your Success.